Anong nasa north ko? Jin, no?
Yung Jin yan. Yung Jin.
Careful by the
dismounted nakalok sa'yo yung Jin ngayon.
Jin Alliance dismounted pa-south.
May bounce ka ba tato?
3, 2, 1, shallow now. Just hit. Hit shallow. Come southeast. Look, good damage, boys. Southeast more. Reset CD on me. Tumusunod.
Hindi.
Come east. We walk east.
Bumababa lang yung mga tanks nila.
Careful
going
over the wall.
northeast sila.
So we're gonna hit straight north. 3, 2, 1. Try to reach, boys. Try to reach. Come back. We hit one. Come southeast. Come to me. Come southeast. Reset CD, boys.
Nagma-mount up yung Jin Alliance dito. Going northwest.
Going northwest.
Okay. Walk west, boys.
Bye-bye.
Yung Radiant, na-dismount.
Wait.
We want to...
Radiant nandito.
Okay.
Sa southeast. Going out sila.
Kill this guy, boys. Nice purge.
Radiant walking northwest.
Sige.
Northwest ng castle.
Shaper. Okay, mamatay yata.
Eto na, walking sa'yo, southeast yung Radiant. Eto,
Okay.
sobrang clump.
Hold east, guys. Look, come to me. We're hit west shallow.
Ito. Kakadismount lang, Ito.
Kill this mob.
Ito. Nasa chokeland sila.
Stay southeast.
Wala, bumaba na yung Radiant.
Northwest. Come west. Look, southwest shallow.
Bababa lang.
2, 1, southwest now. On this guy.
Ingat turning Radiant.
Come southeast. Look, we're gonna get flank. Come southeast.
Nagta-turn.
Tuk north.
Naghahabol, ingat tanks.
Look,
Nakastot ako sa flank mo.
Just keep walking.
Bumalik ng southwest.
Level 5.
Bumalik ng baba yung Radiant.
Same spot, west side. 3, 2, 1. Same spot.
North side mo, tuktok ka. North side mo, tuktok. Sige, bumalik. Okay ka, Mike. Okay ka.
Okay, hold. Just chill, boys. Come south more. Bomb squad north. Hug the wall. Come southeast, guys. We're gonna get flank.
Yung Aviva nga tapping sa southeast mo. Level 5 yan.
Sige. Walk, guys.
Ito sila yung small blob sa east side.
Ilang percent yan?
Level 5 lang.
Catch your tank.
Mounted yung ibang tuktok,
Level 6 na sila.
Southeast. Kill him. Yung nawala yung Radiant, no? Hindi natin alam.
Oo, Radiant di alam. Pwede mo napin, Lucrecia.
Sige.
Nice ka.
So, come northwest. We hold the hill. Lahat ng blob natin parang may nakadagdag. Hug the southwest wall, boys.
Dito yung Radiant nasa hill pa rin.
We're gonna catch on the choke, okay?
Mike, nasa choke yung Radiant. Ito, mismong ping nila. Mismong ping ko. Ito yung Radiant.
Hold. Walk. Just walk.
Bumababa ng southwest.
West side shallow. 3, 2, 1. West side now.
Uy,
Almost. Come east. Look, careful.
Looking sa'yo, Tuktok
Come
looking
southeast.
sa'yo.
Walk southeast. We're fine, boys. Reset CD on the crown.
Nag-hold yung Radiant.
Come on. West side. Same spot. Be ready.
Flank mo, Mike. Flank mo, meron.
Okay, come east, guys.
Facing sa'yo.
Be ready to curtain, boys. Care. Hold here. Look, it's nothing. Hold. Look, help the front. It's nothing. Help the front. Look, walk southeast. Look, southeast. 3, 2, 1, southeast now. By the healers. You kill the healers. Look, comes. Hug the south wall and reset CD on the crown. Boys. Pa-check ng northwest ko.
Yung Jin Alliance, nalikuran yung nalikuran na yung Arirang.
Okay, just hold here, boys.
Jin na yung northeast mo.
Radiant, coming.
Look, come southeast. We have to move. Come southeast. Sige, come southeast. Follow me.
Arirang southeast. Arirang south.
3, 2, 1, east side now. Hit that. And then touch and then go through after. We have to go south, down the hill. Look, cleanse. Okay, they're gonna hit soon. Down the hill. Nice. Good, boys. You have me on the front. Nice.
Sige, okay ka mag-southwest, Mike. Okay ka mag-southwest.
Southwest. Follow
Southeast mo, Arirang. Full Arirang to.
Holding pa rin dito yung Radiant.
Kaya mo huliin to, Verlix. Ito na.
In front of us. Kill him.
Mag-engage to. Engaging.
Have
Engaging. Miss sila.
Help my front. Heal my front. Reset CD on the crown, guys. Kill the mobs. Comes out. 3 seconds, we go. Look, northeast of me. Come. Walk. Deep northeast. 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. Just the front. Hit the front. Come back. We're snaking. Just reset.
Tingnan niyo yung northwest natin, ah. Yung northwest natin, tingnan niyo.
Come southeast. We have water bridge here.
Going back region.
Sige, arirang northeast pa rin.
We kite towards this bridge, okay?
Etong ping arirang.
Mounting up yung arirang.
Mounting up.
Sige. Hold here. Southwest care, okay? My gradient is southwest.
Itong CCTV na sa notice mo. Hard net.
Sige.
Ito yung Radiant.
Nagkakite sila pa southeast. Etong gym. Nagkakite pa southeast. Bumababa na.
Going sa
mag-engage ka. Yung 600. Ito na yung 600.
Northeast shadow 3. To on the tank in front, boys. Come back southwest.
Engaging.
Help us out. Nice, we're fine, boys. Come west first. Look, follow me first. Reset on me. And then we're gonna go southeast. Be ready. Look, wait.
Malilikuran sila ng arirang, ah.
Yung CCTV sa notice mo, ah.
Look, we're gonna hit soon.
May engage pen.
Keep on, boys. We have to pass through. Look, we're gonna hit northwest. 5, 4.
Engaging
on the shaper inside. Kill that shaper. Look, come southeast more.
May engage pa to, ah.
Look,
Kill Axie.
Help each other, boys. Keep on southeast. Okay, keep on southeast, boys. We have to keep on. Look, cleanse it. Keep on southeast. Help Horizon. Look, help Horizon. Reset CD on me. Help each other. Keep on southeast. We have to clear mobs, boys. Look, wait. Turn north side. 3, 2, 1, shallow, boys. Shallow. Kill this one guy. Come back southeast. Look, come southeast.
Shaper southwest.
Shaper southwest. Love me more, Ijen.
Take the hill. Care, okay.
Cheaters lang to.
Shaper, boys.
Shaper.
Look,
northwest mo. Wala. Okay ka.
Northeast 3, 2, 1, northeast now. Hit that, please. Hit that. Nice. Come southwest. Take the.
Nalikuran na sila ng arirang, ah. Nalikuran sila ng arirang. Makakain na tayo dito. Turning sila northwest.
Nag-hold na.
Ito sila.
Holding sila.
Ready.
Huwag nyo atang ganyan yung masyado.
Northeast deep 3, 2, 1, northeast now. Deeper.
Looking sa'yo.
It's okay, we can front. Come southwest. Okay, come southwest. Hold nyo lang, guys. Help my front, okay? Keep on southwest. Help them, the crown. Look careful.
Nasa pinaka-southwest na baba na yung Radiant.
Southwest? Go northwest.
Oo, nasa baba. Feeling ko dito yun, eh.
Karapatan nila.
Umakyat ulit sila. Ito, Radiant to, bumababa.
Look, we're gonna head over the wall, okay?
Radiant to.
Bumababa. Come west.
Nakababa na. Nasa southwest na sila. Way southwest na sila.
They have south angle, guys. Be ready to guard.
Andito na yung Radiant. Ayan, Radiant yan.
I'm just looking. Keep on southwest.
Ito na. Southwest mo na, Mike. One screen. Nagmamadali. Mag-engage.
Hold.
Wala pa.
Hold GF3. Just shallow, boys. On the two in front. Try to kill. Come back, Artis. We didn't kill.
Engaging, guys. Engaging.
Southeast quick. Yo, patch. Come southeast to the choke. Yo, cleanse that. Come southeast by the choke. Reset CD by the choke, boys. Guard with me. We're fine, boys. Look, pull north. Follow me. We're gonna engage north side. Look, come northwest.
4, 3,
2, northwest now. On the above northwest. Try to hit. Come back. We didn't sink. Come southeast. Up the hill, boys. Up the hill. Careful, okay? Careful, Crown. You might die. Hold here, boys.
Layo ng Radiant. Walang ice sa Radiant.
Ito facing.
Yung bomba pa.
Look, follow me south side. Be ready.
Jin, level 10 lang tong Jin, ah.
Hit by the choke, boys. Come back. Help Shiki. Help
Okay lang ako.
We can hold the choke, guys.
Level 10 lang to yung bomba. Ito na yung Radiant. Nilikuran na sila. Nag-engage yung Radiant. Southwest mo, Radiant.
Come south.
Ito yung south.
Come south. Look, hold.
Ito na sila.
No, come up, boys. Come up.
Alam nila.
Let them in. Look, it's tanks that's gonna be breaking, okay? Come north, guys.
Nasa Terry, northeast side.
Okay, we go north.
Mounted.
Boom back again. Same shit, boys. Look, north side 3, to north side now. On the healers. Drop east, and then come west. Look, careful, okay? They're gonna come from the north side. Come to the low ground west.
Mike, umaakit na yung Radiant South.
Sige, nakaalis ako.
Nakaakyat na.
Reset CD, guys.
Okay.
my tanks. Come east. Come southeast. Look, wait.
Pwede over the wall sa Regent.
East. We got Jade. Just. Come on, smart. Look, east side, over the hill. 3, 2, 1. East side now. East side deep. Come back. We missed. Come southwest.
Wrapping northwest mo yung Jin.
Come southwest.
Nasa north mo lang
Inabot
yan.
lang yung Jin.
Jin. Hindi. 2 screen sa'yo, yung Jin.
Come northwest.
Facing zero sa
Up the
Ray.
hill sila, up the hill sila, east side.
Apel
We're
na.
gonna kill the Shaper northeast. 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Deep west. Come back. We didn't reach. My bad. Come southwest.
Saan na yung Regent?
Bagang kunat ng Zerg natin. Bakit ganito?
Mike, ito Regent going northwest papunta sa'yo.
Go west.
Southwest mo na sila. Southwest mo na sila. Nagmamadali. Ito.
Come southwest. Look, hold them now. Look, hands, okay? Keep on southwest. Guard rune now, guys. Guard rune now. Just keep on west, boys. Keep on west. Occult me now. We have to
Umiswarm
move.
ka.
Look, care. Pots, okay? Pots. Look, they hit now. Keep on west. Look, they're not hitting. They're gonna hit soon.
Maghit na.
Look, keep on west, boys.
Oh,
Keep on west. Trust me. Look, come to the crown. Heal up, boys. Come southeast now. Look, we're gonna hit southeast on Shiki. Southeast, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now, boys. Hit that. And then come northwest. We're gonna try to get out, boys. You have Shade Knight. Heal up, we're gonna leave, boys.
Hilig na. Shit.
We leave, boys. I fucked up. Try to get out, boys.
Help dito, part.
North side?
Diyan ako sa'yo. Tiki.
Uy, gago. Umalis ka na. Baka patayin ka niya.
Malis ka na, Rigi.
Teka, di ako makamount up. Combat.
Hala.
Sige. Ay, gago ka.
Ina mo ka. May execute ka pang hayop ka.
Hindi.
We get out, guys. Good fight.
Nice one.
Combat pa rin, putang ina.
I fucked up, boys. I put us on the wall.
Ka lang. Heal nyo nga si Rigi. Dismount isang healer, oh. Nice one. Nice one, Tutoy.
Kung sarap.
It's okay, guys. We leave. We go southwest here and then AR. If you're gearing, just go to portal, boys.
Narinig ko si Henry dun, Mike. Nag-double blink, eh. Putang ina.
Jin kept following us.
Ayoko na tong weapon na to. Hirap sa comp natin.
We go.
Headbang.
Like towards the end, I kept missing my perma. That's on me.
Kuha lang.
Come to AR, guys. Ako na lang trade. It's far better than... Actually, yesterday was just a bad day.
Sayang, Mike. May kumpulan doon ng mga body. Ang daming loot. Pag
Di
sayang
makuha.
kumpulan, takbo ako.
Nahirap niya run over tayo.
Kaya
Pero ang ganda. Kunat ka na, Zerk. Ilang beses naklam pero di namamatay. Ganda.
When they GA, guys, like that, they always fake first. It's the same thing with what we do. So we have to keep moving. It's always W79 pulling. So if the golem is not him, then we just chill.